Gates open, they're up and racing. Speak low, draws for your lead. Bachelor of Arts moving up by the rail. Then on the outside is Charlie's World. Next in line for Midabol Ella. And running by the rail, unopposed alongside Live in Manila. Next in line is entry number 8, Devil Rising, 5 o'clock running third last. Second last is entry number 9, Power Negotiator. And Lady Thunder is running at the tail of the field. Past the 3/4 mile distance is Piccolo in command, followed by Charlie's World in second. Down in third is Bachelor of Arts moving a party outside for Midabol Ella to take third. Racing in fifth this time is 5 o'clock Live in Manila by the rail, unopposed Power Negotiator and Devil Rising second last, and a long way back to Lady Thunder. Heading towards the last 600, it still is Piccolo leading the field by about 3 lengths. For Midabol Ella remains in second. Bachelor of Arts closing in third and taking the second spot, unopposed by the rail. 5 o'clock joining in Live in Manila also closing in. Then Power Negotiator as they turn to the final 450. It's anybody's race as they turn for home. Bachelor of Arts by the rail still leading the field is Speak Low, and moving up Live in Manila, unopposed Power Negotiator. With the last 150 more to run, Speak Low, Power Negotiator running on the outside. Speak Low still leading the field and refuses to surrender. And finally Speak Low, Power Negotiator, Live in Manila, Bachelor of Arts, 5 o'clock. For your pentapecta, then comes unopposed for Midabol Ella, Devil Rising, then comes Charlie's World and Lady Thunder.